Jai Gurudev students, so welcome to my computer class. Today we will start with the chapter called logo. In my previous class I have sent two video links actually. Okay, in that link you have come to know what is logo and what its use is. Now we need to do the theory part because without theory we can't practice the practical. So logo, at first before entering to the chapter or before entering to the detailed part of the logo, we need to know who has been designed this particular software and for what reason. Okay, so for what reason it will be discussed later. Now we will know who is designed the logo. So logo was designed by, as you can see in my mobile screen, logo was designed by Professor Seymour Papert and Wally Feuerzeg. Again, Professor Seymour Papert and Wally Feuerzeg. And logo stands for logic oriented, graphic oriented. Logo from L, logic, for O, oriented, for G, graphic, and for O again oriented. So what is logic? In case of mathematics, we are doing lots of calculations. Suppose if I tell you that if one pencil costs rupees 5, then uh, what will be the cost of 5 pencils? Okay, then we need to do the multiplication. In this way we are uh, we are applying our logic to solve a problem. So in this way, that means in logo also we need to apply the logic. So how to apply the logic, we will slowly know this. And after that, that means logic oriented means which is based on logic, and after that graphic oriented. See, what is graphics? Any kind of picture will be considered as graphics. That's why you have faced this question in last exam, that means periodic 2 assessment exam, that window is a dash user interface, graphical user interface, because the operating system window has lots of images. If you if you open your computer and you press or you click the this PC option or any kind of folder option, you can see a picture there. For folder also you can see a picture, for this PC also that icon, picture means that icon, and the whole desktop has been covered by uh, a picture. So window is also a graphical user interface. So on based on that, in case of logo we have some graphics, and how it works we will discuss it now. So at first what we need to do, we need to see this screen. You can see after opening the logo, you will see these two windows will be appeared in front of you. You can see one portion, the upper portion called graphics screen, because you can see here a picture has been drawn using some commands. Okay, so and after that you can see the commander portion, when that means where we will command the system to draw this picture, or we can draw another pictures also. So recall list box is also there. Here we will recall lots of things. You can see FD, RT, FD, RT. So what is FD, what is RT, we will slowly come to this point. After that, halt button is there, pause button is there, status button is there, execute button is there, and reset button is there, and command input box is also there. Here we will put the command. That means if we want to write FD 110, RT 90, FD 100, this kind of thing we can write. It's not necessary to write only this, that FD 110 needs to be written. So we will slowly come to know what is this. Now you will open the first page number 64, and read with me. See, what is logo? Logo is a simple computer language used for drawing basic shapes and performing arithmetic calculations. So logo, what is logo? Logo ki লোগো হচ্ছে কি একটা বেসিক একটা কম্পিউটার ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ যেটা আমাদেরকে হেল্প করে কিছু ড্র করতে, সিম্পল শেপস ড্র করতে আমাদের হেল্প করে, অ্যান্ড পারফর্মিং অ্যারিথমেটিক ক্যালকুলেশন, এবং অনেক ক্ষেত্রে অ্যারিথমেটিক ক্যালকুলেশনকে পারফর্ম করে। কিভাবে করে এটা আমরা পরে জানবো, আমাদের জাস্ট এখন স্টার্টিং হচ্ছে। সো টু পারফর্ম এনি অ্যাকশন, লোগো ইউজেস আ ট্রায়াঙ্গেল শেপ টার্টেল দ্যাট মুভস অন the computer screen. It is just like a pen. I am zooming it. Can you see the round? Can you see the circle? Inside the circle a triangle shape is there. This triangle shape is called turtle. It is like a pen. The nib of the pen, yes, the nib of the pen is also triangle, so it is like a pen. So to perform any action, logo uses a triangular shaped turtle that moves on the computer screen. It is just like a pen. We use commands to move a turtle around the screen and to draw different figures. These commands are known as primitives. So what command we are giving, like FD 110, RT 90, FD 100, these all are called primitive. Without primitive we can't draw the figure. Okay, now if I focus on this point, computer language, logo is a simple computer language. So what is computer language? See, in our real world, we used to we use lots of language like Bengali, English, Hindi, Kokborok, or Manipuri language is there, Assamese language is there, Russian language is there, French language is there, lots of languages are there. But in case of computer doesn't know what is English, what is Bengali, what is it. So computer has its own language. So what language, slowly you come to know in your coming classes. Now how to start logo. At first we all know how to start Microsoft Word or these things. So at first we need to click on the start button, and after that we will go to all programs and Microsoft Windows logos option, and then we need to open it out. Now in every computer, MSW logo is not installed by default. Okay, so we need to download a MS logo from our web browser like Google Chrome or whatever it is. If you go to there and in search box if you write download MSW logo screen, you will get a link, and from that link you can download the logo. Okay, now the opening screen of MSW logo is displayed in the figure 7.1. This in this picture you can see figure is 7.1. Now two screens are there. One is main screen and the second one is commander window. Okay, just few minutes ago I have told you where the commander window is there and where the graphic screen is, the main screen will be considered as the main screen. The commander window is further divided into the recall list box and the command input box. The commander window is further divided. Now they are focusing on the commander window. So in commander window it divided into two in two phase. Okay, recall list box is there. Recall list box you can see what command has been given, it is showing in recall list box. FD 110, RT 90, it is showing that. And after that, in the command input box, in this box we need to write FD 110, RT 90 and all. Okay, look at the given MSW logo screen and its various buttons. Okay, in commander window there are a few present on the right side. These buttons are called control buttons. They are halt. This button is used to stop logo from processing further. Okay, if we press the button halt, it can stop the logo from processing further. That means the next process will not be in use. To stop that process we need to press the halt button, and after that pause. It stops the program execution temporarily. If we want to draw in case of this point it stops the program. So what kind of program is this? If we want to draw a triangular shape or any square shape, rectangular shape, whatever it is, if we want to stop it temporarily, the execution of this program temporarily, if we want to stop, we need to press the pause button, and after that step. This button removes error one step at a time. I am showing you the step button. Can you see? Halt, in halt, after that pause, and after that step button is there. So step, this button removes error one step at a time. Okay, for writing this, suppose FD 110, RT 90, FD 100, RT 90, all are steps, different steps. So if someone thinks that I need to change the last portion, that means BK 40, they can use the step button so that the BK 40 error can be removed. After that, execute button is there. You can see the execute button. Yes, this one is the execute button. So execute button, what is it's used to run or execute the commands. Press either the execute button or enter key. That means after putting all the commands FDRT, FDRT, BK, whatever command you have put or you have entered in the command box, and which is showing in the recall list box, if we want to execute it, then we will press the, or we will click the execute button so that it can be used. Now I am showing you another one. See, in this page in right side they have given one example: RT90, FD40, RT90, FD40, FD40, RT90, FD40. So what is it? These are the commands to draw a square. So we need to learn the command now, and before that we need to see the others also. This button is used to trace. So trace, what is trace? This button is used to trace errors so that this can be removed from the program. Now you have written a big program, okay, and you are not able to find out where the errors are. So at that time you can take help of trace button. After that, status button is there. It displays the status of current settings in logo. এখন লোগোতে কি আছে, these things will be shown to you. And after that, reset. This button is used to clear the logo main screen and bring the turtle back to its home. If you done a mistake, and after that if you want to reset all the things, then you will press the reset button. Now the most important thing, recalling elementary logo commands. The commands is most important. So command and full form and purpose, we need to know it. We have already learned few primitives in the previous class. Let us have a brief review. Okay, so primitive command FD. Here you can see FD is there, RT is there, RT is there, FD, BK is there. So what is it? We need to know now. FD. FD means forward. FD primitive moves the turtle forward by a given number of steps. Suppose you have typed FD40, then the turtle will move forward. That means সামনের দিকে এটা যাবে. 40 steps it will count and it will go. After that, BK. BK means backward. The previous one is forward and the opposite direction is backward. BK. BK primitive moves the turtle backward by a given number of steps. If you type BK40, then it will come back to its previous previous place. And after that, LT. LT refers to the left. LT primitive turn the head of the turtle towards the left side. If you put LT, then the turtle which has been there, see the turtle, it will turn towards the left side. For example, if you put LT 90, then it will turn 90 degree towards left. And after that, RT, right. RT primitive turns the head of the turtle towards the right side. So for LT, so it's very easy. FD means forward, the turtle will move forward. BK means backward, the turtle will move backward. LT is left. So LT primitive turns the head of the turtle. Will uh, RT primitive will turns the turtle towards right side. And after that, home command brings the turtle to the center of the screen. In computer screen, wherever your turtles are, in first place or in last place, if we write home, if we put the command home in command input box, the turtle will come into the center of the screen. And after that, HT and ST. HT means suppose you need to, or you want to hide the turtle so no one can see, you will use HT for H hide, and from T turtle comes. So hide turtle, that means hide mane hocche lukano, that means disappearing. HT primitive orders the turtle to disappear from the screen. So it is very easy. And ST means show turtle. After hiding, you now you want to show the turtle, then you will use ST. You can see an enter option is there. In each cases, type FD, then a arrow symbol is there, which is coming from the upper direction and going and moving in left direction. It means enter. Okay, so each time we put a command, and after that we need to press the enter button. So ST, after that enter. And CS, suppose you want to clear the screen now, so what command should we use? We use clear screen. For clear screen we will write CS, because when we write a what's a large or a big program, then it is not possible for us. Yes, it is possible, but it will take time. Clear screen, to write clear screen, forward, backward, hide turtle, show turtle. So short form is used. So CS primitive clears the entire picture drawn in the main screen and brings the turtle to the center of the screen. For example, CS, and press the enter button. And after that, CT, clear text. CT primitive is used to clear the controls of the text screen. For example, CT player. That means if you write CT in command input box, and after that if you press enter, then the recall list box will be empty. Okay, so that's all for today, and after that we will move for the sixth page number 66 and 67, how they use to print in the graphic screen. Okay, so till then, Jai Gurudev to all.